Perfection. What up, guys? Sometime Kev's here. Um, not out fishing, not out jet skiing, not out on the lake doing anything today. It's another rainy, cloudy, stormy, rainy, cloudy day in Middle Tennessee. So I'm in Poppy's kitchen, and we're gonna fix my version of Nashville hot honey chicken, and this is called Poppy's hot and sweet chicken, and it tastes really similar to Nashville honey hot chicken. We're gonna be air frying it, and we're gonna use chicken thighs for today. It's a great choice. It'll be nice and moist. They cook evenly. They cook very well. A couple other things we've got here. We've got flour with a little bit of cornstarch in there. This is panko breadcrumbs. This is just the flour. There's going to be an egg wash right here. And one thing with the egg wash that I like to do to get that spice in there is add a little bit of the hot sauce. So when you egg wash it, it's going to get some of that spice in there. I'm going to do a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt in there. It's not going to need much. And the rest of this buffalo sauce is going to get heated up and mixed with brown sugar, and that is the secret. I mean, that is the key to making that right. So we're just going to trim a little bit of the fat off of these. There's not too much fat on them. We'll get rid of that. And we're just going to cut these kind of as long as we can, kind of make strips out of them. So we're going to air fry these. So they're air fryers at 400 degrees. Going to do them about, it's going to take about 12 to 16 minutes to get these crispy how I want them. Now, the way we're going to do this, it's going to be egg wash with hot sauce. Always have to have a good beverage too. This is Mud Puppy Porter. Perfect for cooking. So we'll do the egg wash. We'll do flour. And then I'm going to do the wash again, just on this one. And then with a panko. And then over here. So let's do flour first. Egg wash. Then panko. If you got a plastic bag or a Ziploc bag, it's just as easy to put them in the bag and shake them. You get a better coating probably, but I just felt like doing it like this. Look at that. That's how you want it to look. And if you have wings or if the bone's still in them, these are boneless, by the way. Boneless, skinless is how I bought them. If the bone's still in them, you air fry for about 385 for about, I don't know, first 15, 16 minutes, and then I didn't get any flour, did it? Oh well, that's okay. And then turn it up to 400 to get it real crispy for the last 10 or 15 minutes. If you've got a bone in there, it takes a little bit longer to cook them with a bone. These are pretty thin, so they're gonna go pretty quick. But they're ready to go in right now. So on the sauce, this sauce is like delicious. This is a regular buffalo, just a buffalo wing sauce. I like Sweet Baby Ray's. It's one of the better ones out there. It tastes like buffalo sauce really should taste. Wing sauce. I mean, it's delicious. It's comparable to if you've had maybe Hooters or I don't know, some of the other bigger chains use this same flavor. And we're going to use just brown sugar. So what we're going to do, we're going to heat this up. So you basically to turn that on just low, maybe 1.5, 2. Some brown sugar in there. I think that might be enough sugar. But this is Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce, one of the best ones out there. Every grocery store has these. Delicious. And now we wait. So this is Sometime Kev in Poppy's kitchen, his version of Nashville honey hot chicken. I like using the dark brown sugar better. It just has more flavor, and it just melts. And along with that buffalo sauce, the buffalo sauce is tangy, not super hot, burn your mouth. It's got a good tangy heat flavor to it. And you put this dark brown sugar in there, melt it up, and that gives it the sweet. So you know, you don't have to use honey. Honey's good to use if you've got it on hand. I didn't have any honey. Just get that melted up and give it a little finger taste. Oh yes, oh yeah, that's right. That is good. This is about 8 minutes into the cook process. They are crisping up. You can squirt those with olive oil if you want to, Amazon or anywhere, and I fill it full of olive oil, and it just, you know, just sprays out. Works great for just coating things, skillets, and all of that kind of stuff. Especially if you want it a little bit, just a little bit browner, but not much. Air fryers are meant to cook without oil, and they do. So when you use the egg wash and the flour in that panko, it's going to brown and crisp. If you just did plain, just flour, which is delicious, especially on your wings, naked basically, I do spray them with that just to hit that skin, and it'll just golden brown. I mean, make them really good. The chicken took about 13 minutes because it was pretty thin, no bone. So this is what it looks like. Perfect. Let me get that. We're gonna pour that sauce on it. One more finger taste. Oh yeah. Oh, that's perfect. That's good. Look how beautiful those turned out. About 13 minutes at 400. I mean, beautiful. Crispy on the outside, crunchy, juicy, tender on the inside. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. There's a lot to be said for cooking with these boneless, skinless thighs. So tender. Hot. That was very hot, so tender, and that flavor from the egg wash, having the wing sauce in it, oh, that makes a huge difference. And if you're like me, sometimes when you're cooking, almost always, I did a temperature check on that. They got to 172, so completely done all the way through. I knew they were done, but I like to do it anyway. And you can shake these however you want to do it. I like to do a pour. Get a little crispy on there, some of the, not completely covered. There they are. Yum. Poppy's version of honey hot wings. Boneless, skinless thighs. Alright, now those are done. My favorite part of cooking in Poppy's kitchen. Poppy eating. This is it. Now that is a plate. Let's start off with this one right here. Get a little dip. Oh my goodness. Perfection. That is so sweet and tender and spicy. And then the chicken is just cooked perfect. Oh my gosh, with that Cool Ranch. Golly. That is one you gotta make. Easy, 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 easy. I can see that being on your table every football game, every basketball game, movie night, making an afraid night, baseball game, golf tournament. I can see that being on your table for anything. Sometime Kev. Poppy's version of Nashville honey hot wings. I use chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, panko, Sweet Baby Ray, brown sugar, and a little bit of love, and an air fryer. Sometime Kev, checking in, checking out.